Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're doing something a little different, actually. Really relevant, though. Instead of our usual deep dive into an article, we're going deep on the professional journey of Sebastian Schkudlara. He's a very seasoned AI and microservices architect. Think of it like we're cracking open the blueprints behind someone who's, actively building the future of tech, not just watching it happen. So, what can you expect from this? Well, we're going to explore his knack for making these really complex AI systems work efficiently, how he's pioneered ways to secure autonomous AI agents, super important stuff, his talent for growing engineering teams, like right from the start, and even, get this, his fluency in multiple languages. It's really a chance to pull out some maybe surprising insights and practical lessons from a career that's been at the cutting edge for, what, almost 2 decades?
Yeah, and what's valuable here, I think, is we're not just listing achievements. It's more about tracing the evolution, someone who's consistently been right there shaping the AI and microservices landscape.
Yeah.
So this dive, it'll highlight not just his technical skills, which are obviously deep, but also that strategic foresight and leadership, qualities you absolutely need in a field changing this fast.
Okay, let's unpack this a bit. Sebastian Schkudlara, AI and microservices architect, 19 years in the game. He's known for building these scalable, high-performance backend systems, event-driven architectures, and crucially, AI-driven applications. And when we say AI-driven, we're talking agentic AI, LLM integration, a solid DevOps automation, cloud-native microservices. Wow,
Yeah.
that's a lot, right? It's a really
Yeah.
comprehensive approach.
It absolutely is. And his professional summary, it kind of lays the foundation. Shows his skill across Kubernetes, for orchestration,
Right.
AWS for cloud, Python AI frameworks, REO workflows, retrieval augmented generation that's huge now, and even Ruby on Rails for APIs. This broad full stack view. That's what lets him deliver platforms that aren't just fancy tech, but actually cost effective and scalable, built to last.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting, where you see the impact. Take SwitchAI at Trailings. Sebastian engineered this multi-model AI proxy, not just picking one AI, but dynamically routing requests across OpenAI, Anthropic, Google AI Studio, Mistral, all the big ones, and reduced their AI operational costs by 30%. I mean, 30%. That's not just trimming fat. That's a strategic advantage.
That's a perfect example of applied AI strategy, right?
Right.
Getting those kinds of savings while juggling all those different models. That takes a deep understanding. Performance metrics, cost structures, real-time choices in this, complex AI landscape. It's making advanced AI powerful and sustainable, economically viable.
Yeah, exactly. And he didn't stop there. He also led the charge on HiveMind AI, which is an autonomous AI agent marketplace. This platform really tackles a big headache for businesses. How do you actually use AI effectively for data analysis, content creation, automating workflows?
And what's really clever about HiveMind AI, I think, is that focus on agent collaboration. Imagine a team of specialist AIs. Each one does its bit, then passes the task on. This whole HiveMind idea, it's key for tackling complex business stuff, avoids some of those AI pitfalls like making things up, and just improves the accuracy, the reliability overall. It's sort of a peek into how integrated AI workflows might look.
Right. And he also drove this shift to AI-first automation in logistics. This was at Chango. Bringing in AI for document processing, detecting anomalies. Logistics is often full of manual steps, so this really boosted efficiency there. It feels like he's not just building software, he's genuinely transforming industries using smart, practical AI. Looking at his journey, it's not just a list of jobs. It's like watching someone constantly refine and apply this massive toolkit to tricky problems. Like in AI and agentic development, he's not just plugging in the latest LLMs from OpenAI to open source ones. He's actually building these sophisticated array pipelines.
Yeah, and those array pipelines are so important. They give the AI systems accurate, context-aware answers by pulling info from outside data, essential for cutting down on those, AI hallucinations we keep hearing about, making sure the output is solid. And then you add his skill with orchestration tools, Pydantic AI, LangChain. These frameworks help you string different AI models and actions together for complex jobs. You see this really thorough approach to building genuinely smart, reliable AI.
And you mentioned he's a wizard with vector databases. Pinecone, PG Vector, these aren't just storage, they're for semantic search, right? Giving AI a kind of memory. Yeah. Which is vital for getting those really relevant, nuanced answers. Exactly right. And, you can't build great AI on shaky foundations. His deep knowledge in microservices and DevOps, Kubernetes, Docker, Terraform, clouds like AWS, GCP, Azure, it means the systems he designs aren't just smart, they're also tough, resilient, performant. He's built event-driven systems with Kafka, RabbitMQ, AWS, SQSSNS, the big names for real-time data. And he clearly believes in CI/CD with GitHub Actions for getting code out fast and reliably. Plus that comprehensive observability with Prometheus and Grafana. Seeing what's actually happening, he really gets the whole life cycle, doesn't he? From code to cloud and back again. His backend skills, fast API, Ruby on Rails, different databases like PostgreSQL with pgvector. It just shows he can build the robust, data-heavy solutions needed for complex AI.
It really demonstrates that holistic view, seeing the whole system. From the intricate AI logic down to the bedrock infrastructure and the data supporting it all. It's that combination that makes his work so solid.
And it's not just the tech, is it? His leadership and consulting chops really stand out. Scaling teams using Agile, setting clear AI strategy, managing the whole MLOps cycle, retraining, performance tuning. It's a rare mix, that deep tech knowledge combined with strategic vision.
Let's walk through his path a bit, starting with his recent freelance work at Traillinks. That's 2024 to now. He's been a freelance developer and product architect there. And this is where we see a lot of these ideas come together. So SwitchAI, we mentioned it, that smart AI request router. Dynamically picking models based on cost, latency, performance across all those providers, saving 30% on AI costs. That's not just a nice to have, it's a blueprint for making AI sustainable.
Absolutely. It's pure applied AI strategy, hitting the bottom line directly by optimizing how resources are used, minimizing waste, maximizing value. It's smart AI economics. Then there's HiveMind AI, that marketplace for autonomous agents. He designed these multi-step workflows, retrieval, summary, sentiment analysis, specifically to make the agents more accurate, less prone to making stuff up. So not just building agents, but building trustworthy agents.
And that focus on multi-step workflows to fight hallucinations, that's a critical design choice. It's like building in checks and balances, agents collaborating, maybe even verifying each other's work like a good human team. It directly tackles one of AI's biggest ongoing challenges.
And through his consulting side, he's helped startups craft AI strategies, getting custom AI agents plugged into their CRMs, their analytics tools, and cutting deployment times from weeks down to just days. That's fast, real impact for businesses trying to leverage AI quickly. Before Traillinks, he spent time as an AI engineer at Babel Group in Madrid. There, he developed RAG solutions, tying into enterprise data for those high-accuracy results. Also worked on optimizing LLM performance, faster responses, lower costs, and built NLP pipelines for things like summarization, pulling out key info.
Yeah, that RAG work in an enterprise context is so vital, where factual consistency, reliability, it's non-negotiable. And make sure the AI isn't just talking, it's providing correct, relevant information based on the company's actual data.
Going back a bit more, head of development at Chango. Over 5 years there, led that AI automation push in logistics. Microservices for document processing, mixing AI and blockchain for secure records, AI anomaly detection models too. But the really standout thing, revolutionizing the bill of lading with NFT-backed EBLs, which actually helped cut CO2 emissions. I mean, that's mixing really advanced tech with real-world environmental and business benefits.
That's a perfect illustration, isn't it? Bridging cutting-edge tech with practical, measurable results, using blockchain for secure logistics records, plus AI for spotting problems. It shows real forward thinking in an industry that's, well, ripe for change.
And at Agentero, as head of development, he grew their dev team from just himself to 15 engineers, while also setting up Kubernetes infrastructure, CI/CD pipelines, and building real-time analytics for insurance risk. Scaling a team that fast while building foundational tech, that's serious leadership, both technical and organizational.
Oh, absolutely. It shows he's not just a tech wizard, but also a leader, a builder of strong development teams. That's a rare skill set, managing people, process, and technology all at once to grow quickly and deliver complex stuff under pressure.
Okay, we also have to touch on some super specialized recent projects at Traillinks. He architected and built a production-ready Ruby gem for Google's agent-to-agent protocol, A2A. This is fascinating. It's about enabling secure, fast communication directly between machines, between AI agents, crucial for truly autonomous systems. And he built in series security. OAuth 2.0, JWT for identity, and MTLS mutual TLS, so both agents have to prove who they are.
This is foundational stuff, seriously. As AI agents get more autonomous, collaborate more, they need to trust each other securely without a human checking. It's critical. And Traillinks Sentinel, with its agent secret token, builds right on this, makes agent impersonation mathematically impossible. It's like the SSL TLS moment, but for agent communication, building that basic trust layer for AI ecosystems. Cryptographic certainty for an automated future.
Wow, okay. Then there's Scoutica, a multi-agent AI recruitment platform. automates the whole hiring process using specialized agents for sourcing, screening, assessment. He engineered the main AI workflow orchestrator in Python with Fast API and used Ruby on Rails and PostgreSQL for the data side.
Yeah, this really shows his skill in managing complex parallel AI workflows, reliably and fast sub-second latency.
Yep.
Think about the precision needed for different agents handling different hiring stages smoothly. It needs meticulous design for seamless handoffs, consistent performance, a real test of advanced multi-agent system design.
And he built an advanced Oath 2.0 authentication service in Rails to lock down the whole Traillinks platform. We're talking two-factor oath, cryptographic token validation with AES 256 GCM, replay attack protection. Sounds like Fort Knox level security for a platform.
That level of detail, yeah. AES 256 GCM for top-tier encryption, PBKDF2 to stop brute force attacks. That's what makes systems truly resilient against sophisticated threats today. It's not just ticking compliance boxes, it's about building that unbreakable trust foundation, especially as AI agents handle more critical tasks and data.
And finally, he led the front-end development for the Traillinks AI management and operations platform, built this comprehensive dashboard using React and Material UI, real-time monitoring of AI usage costs, multi-tenant setup with role-based access control, a multi-entity wallet system. Oh, and it supports over 20 languages, so truly global, truly accessible.
That ties it all together so nicely, doesn't it? It shows his expertise runs from the deepest security layers and back-end logic right up to the user interface, ensuring the entire AI ecosystem is complete, well-managed, and actually usable. It's the full picture, from deep tech to great UX.
His technical toolkit is just huge. Python, Ruby, deep AI knowledge, LLMs, RAG, fine-tuning prompt engineering, plus a solid grasp of blockchain, smart contracts, Solidity, even NFTs and tokenization. And being fluent in Spanish, German, Polish, and English just adds another layer to his global reach.
Yeah, that wide technical base plus the languages, it really underlines his adaptability. His unique ability to lead these cutting-edge projects on a global scale means he can connect with diverse teams, understand different markets, work across different tech stacks. Invaluable today.
So wrapping this up, what does this deep dive into Sebastian Schkudlara's journey mean for you, the listener? It reveals someone who's not just keeping up with the bleeding edge of AI and microservices, but actively building it, securing it. He's the kind of architect who anticipates the next challenge, drives innovation, but always keeps an eye on cost and performance. His career really feels like a blueprint for strategic tech leadership in this era.
And it raises a big question for all of us, doesn't it? In a world filling up with autonomous AI agents, how do we make sure these incredibly complex collaborative systems are not just smart, but fundamentally trustworthy, secure? Sebastian's work is a powerful reminder that solid architecture and foundational security aren't optional extras. They're absolutely key to unlocking AI's real potential.
Yeah, his path is just a fantastic example of constant learning and making a real impact. It reminds us whether you're building autonomous agents, securing how they talk to each other, or leading a fast-growing team, that blend of deep technical skill, strategic thinking, and just a curious, adaptable mind. That's what sets the stage for a truly transformative career, a career built on seeing what's next and then building the infrastructure to make it happen.